Tech is big. With a seemingly limitless number of potential companies and roles to pursue, you might soon find yourself with so many potential options that you're not even sure where to start. The longer you wait, the harder it is to get started, and before you know it, you're stuck. Sounds challenging, right? So what do? It's simple. You create a target list, a collection of 20 or more employers you find interesting. Maybe it's the 40 largest tech companies ranked by market cap. Or maybe it's the 20 fastest growing startups in the ed tech space. Or maybe it's a list of employers you've identified based on your own unique criteria, the things that matter most to you. Once you have your list, start researching the employers on the list. Do any alumni from your college or university work there? What are these organizations doing when it comes to social impact? Where are they located? Are they remote friendly? What might a long-term career path there look like? Does the organization have a formal internship program? If so, what's the application process? When you work from a target list, you're not just learning more about individual companies, you're learning more about the tech industry as a whole. You're not simply applying to a bunch of open roles, you're perfecting the art of customizing your resume. You're not only identifying alumni, you're starting to build a network. You're doing all sorts of valuable things. Before you know it, and without even really trying, you're not stuck anymore. Target lists help you take the most important step in any job or internship search, getting started.